A die-hard Peter Obi fan, obedient, promises free toto to anyone, man or woman, if Peter Obi wins the coming presidential election.
Okay, Tunde had not said once Peter Obi wins. I don't know what is the if. There, that if is a probability. God, I beg. Okay, once Peter Obi wins, he's going to throw a party, drinks and food. Everything will be on him. And other people also said they are going to choose another location. So to me, I am going to be giving out free toto once Peter Obi wins. Whether you be woman or you be man, once Peter Obi win and you need free toto, just come to my DM. I'll be in Akwa Ibom. Then I'm currently in Lagos. I live here, but I'll be in Akwa Ibom because this is the first time I'll be voting. And for me to leave, like book flights, go through and fro, like just to go and vote, that means say I mean So once Mr. Peter Obi wins, becomes our president, come to my DM if you're in Akwa Ibom. If you're not in Akwa Ibom, maybe when I come to Lagos, I'll tell you. Come to my DM. I'll collect your free total. Get oh boy. That's my own contribution. Thank you. Bye.